Hello everyone, I am Imran. Welcome to Imran Learning Center. Today in this video I am going to be talking about learning English. Why will we learn English and what should we do to learn English effectively, and what should we learn to be a fluent and eloquent speaker in English. So before I start my discussion, I want to say that if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and also press the ringing button beside the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any notification from any new videos I post. As I told, today in this video I want to discuss on 2 points. Number 1, why will we learn English? Think about yourself, if you don't learn English, so what will happen in your life? What if you don't learn English, what you have to lose, what you have to loosen in your life? And if you learn English effectively and properly, then what will happen in your life? What kind of benefits, what kind of facilities, what sort of advantage, and what type of profit and interest you will get in your life if you learn English properly. If you think this properly and deeply, then you will get point. You can understand what you have to do. You have to learn English or not, you can understand. And our second point was, what should we learn to be a fluent speaker. So let's not make any kind of delay, start our discussion. It's needless to say that English is spoken all over the world. More than 1.5 billion people speak English globally, and 27 countries where English is spoken as a secondary official language, and about 360 million people speak English as their first language. And nowadays English is the language of technology and language of knowledge. If you want to use modern technology, you need English, because modern technology has been built based on English language. So if you don't know English, you can't use this modern device, modern technology properly to conduct your business, to handle, to operate your business, and to communicate with your partner, with your business partner, with your family members, with your friends. You need to use some apps which are designed basing on English language. If you know English, then you can use these apps properly and you can communicate with your partners. And if you don't know English, then you won't be able to use these apps properly and perfectly. You can't conduct your business, you can operate your business properly, you can communicate with other person easily and properly. So if you want to communicate and to handle your business properly, you need English. You have to know English, you have to learn English. You know, maximum books for higher education written in English. So if you want to get higher education, so you have to know English, you have to learn English. If you finish your higher education without knowing English, you won't get good result. Even if you want to go abroad for your higher education, specifically United States of America, USA and United Kingdom, UK, Canada, Australia, even if you want to go to Malaysia for business, for education, at first you have to show English skills. International English Testing System, IELTS, you have to show IELTS result at first. You have to fulfill, you have to fill up their requirement. Their requirement is that you must have English skills. At first you have to show English skills, then you can apply for education. So without English skills, you will be disqualified. You can't go abroad for a higher education. So to get our higher education, to get properly our higher education in home and abroad, everywhere we need English. And in home and abroad, in international school, college and university, lectures are given in English. It can be related to commerce, or related to science, or related to religion, etc. All lectures are given in English. So, if you do not know English, if you do not know how to read English properly, so you can understand these lectures, you can understand this lesson. So, to understand your lesson properly in English medium schools or college or university, you have to know English, you have to learn English. You know English, you know knowledge is power, and if you want to empower yourself, then you need more knowledge, and to get more knowledge, what you need? You need proficiency of English, proficiency of English language, because nowadays English is the language of knowledge. If you have proficiency, if you have knowledge about English language, that means you can understand, you can gather knowledge, you can achieve more information easily, you can achieve more knowledge easily if you have skills of English language, if you have proficiency, efficiency of English language, then you can gather within short time more knowledge, more information. So, where we do not need English? Everywhere we need English. To do everything we need English. To represent our country, if you want to represent your country to the world dwellers, to the world community, you need English. If you want to express, to describe beauty of your country to the world dwellers, to the world community, you need English, because we know that English is the international language. So, if we want to use this medium, and if we want to express, to deliver, to describe our country, to represent our country, then we have to use this international language, and it is English. So, if we learn English effectively, properly, and achieve skills in English, then we can travel all over the world easily. We can reach every corner of the world easily, and we can know many cultures. We can know culture of the people who are living all over the world. We can know many cultures. We can achieve more knowledge about the people who are living all over the world, every corner of the world, and we can share our ideas, thoughts, opinions, views. We can share our ideas to them, and we can get their culture, their opinion, their ideas, their thought, their views. We can know, we can achieve more knowledge traveling all over the world. So, to travel, to visit the total world, we need English. If we learn English effectively, then we can travel easily. We can go here and there, everywhere, without any obstruction, any obstacle. So, why not? Why won't we learn English? We must learn English. We should learn English strongly besides our mother tongue, for being a citizen of the world, to help our family members, to help our community, to serve our countrymen, and to serve finally all over the world, to serve dweller of the world, to serve the people who are living every corner of the world. So, we have to learn English to reach the people and to serve the people. We have to plan that we must learn English, and we must reach to the people who are living all over the world, and we want to help them. We have to plan. And now, let us come to the second point. What should we do and what should we learn to be a fluent speaker in English? We have to learn English effectively, but we do not have to learn all things of English. We do not have to learn each and everything of English. We have to learn important and key part of English. The words which are more important for spoken English, we have to learn this, you have to know this properly and precisely, perfectly, strongly. You have to learn this strongly. The words which are more used, more important for spoken English, you have to learn this word strongly, so that we can use, we will be able to use this word, we can use this word. So, you have to learn, you have to memorize, you have to know definition of the word, deeply, perfectly, and the structures and rules which are more used in our daily conversation. We have to know this, we have to learn this. If we want to learn English effectively and if we want to be a fluent speaker in English, we have to learn parts of speech, tense, and some small expression. There are 12 tenses, but we have to emphasize and stress on learning 6 tenses, because whatever we say and whatever we do in our whole day and night 24 hours, maximum time we use 6 tenses. They are 3 of present, I mean present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect, and 2 of past, past indefinite and past continuous, and 1 of future, it is only future indefinite tense. These are 6 tenses are more used, that we need to learn strongly and perfectly, and therewith we have to learn and achieve proper idea about modal verb. We have to know how to use modal verb and when to use modal verb properly and perfectly. So, if we learn part of speech and these 6 more used 6 tenses and some small expression and modal verb, then we will be able to deliver our speech fearlessly. We can communicate with foreigner, with our business partner, and we can enjoy our life, and at that time we will be the citizen of the world. We can travel everywhere in this world. So, that is all about learning English. Keep your eyes on Imran Learning Center to watch our videos and to improve your English skills, and do share and comment. See you next time taking another video. Till then, stay well, keep well. Bye.